Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. A very good afternoon to all of you. Those who are watching this video, I really hope that you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Mojnu once again in front of you. I am an English video creator, so I am trying to make video. I am working in the field. There are several type of vegetable in this field. You can see. Okay, keep watching this video. You can see it is called cauliflower. This is cauliflower field. এটাকে বাংলাতে বলা হয় কবি, ফুলকপি বলা হয়। Okay, over there, this is chili field. It is called chili. বাংলাতে এটাকে বলা হয় মরিচ। Over there, betel nut tree. It is called betel nut. বাংলাতে এটাকে বলা হয় সুপারি গাছ, betel nut tree. Okay, keep watching this video. This is onion field. It is onion. It is called onion. It is garlic. It is called garlic. এটাকে বাংলাতে বলা হয় রসুন। There are several type of vegetable in this field. Okay, keep watching this video. I am working in the field. This is coriander. It is called coriander. বাংলাতে এটাকে বলা হয় ধনেপাতা। It is our field. It is our vegetable field. Over there, grass. It is amazing scenery. I live at village. The name of my village is Fulgas. It is located in Lalmonihar district. Okay, keep watching this video. This is brinjal field. It is brinjal. It is called brinjal. It is bottle gold field. Over there, bean field. It is called bean. বাংলাতে বলা হয় সিম. Okay, keep watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.